What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the build. It's been a while. Last episode, I don't even remember what we were doing. Oh yeah, we were planning out the build. So, I took the front bumper off. This tow hook's pretty mint. Looks like it's never been used. Yeah, I took the front bumper off. Just checking for damage and gonna paint the bumper black. I tried to take the rear bumper off, but the thing is riveted on everywhere, so yeah, that's a problem. Gotta drill some more rivets. Started taking the interior apart. The dash cover is off, and you can see the dash is pretty crappy. Steering wheel's off. Just taking it all apart because it needs to all be painted. Here's the dash cover. It was all warped. So yeah, that happened. I'll give you a look over here. Steering wheel's off. Starting to take it all apart. I need to also find out which wiring harness this has. That could probably be one of my problems why it runs so bad. Yeah. Today, whoop, that was a fail. Today I want to take the exhaust off. So there's the exhaust. It's actually not that bad. I'll show you the headers. The headers are actually OBX. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they're OBX headers. So they're not that bad. They are beaten in right here. So yeah, that's pretty bad, but oh well. So I'm gonna take the exhaust off and we'll see what it sounds like with no exhaust. What's up, guys? Here we are under the car. Here are the first two bolts I need to take off. This flange or whatever you call it is pretty hacked. So yeah, I gotta fix that, which is why I'm pretty much taking it off. You can see the exhaust goes over the axle or the rear end, so that's always annoying. And if you want to see over here, the exhaust in the rear is literally being hung by USB cable. So yeah, as you can see, this all needs work, which is why I'm taking it off. So yeah. This ratchet is a piece of junk. Alright. This is in such an annoying spot. Ugh, stuff's falling in my eyes. Alright, round two. Never mind. Wait, got it, almost. Oh my god. This is in such an annoying spot. Oh. Alright, finally got it. Alright, so I finally did something smart and I dropped the exhaust. So I have better access to it. Maybe now I can get it off. Yeah, there we go. The bolt's just turning. Yeah. The diff is leaking. So that sucks. Come on, this is so hard. It's just getting tighter. So I need to put something on there. So yeah, I'll do that now. There we go. Finally. Here's the exhaust, just like the header, OBX. So I guess that's pretty good. Not a bad brand. Alright, should we start it up? Hold on. Alright, so the exhaust is off. Sounds pretty cool with no exhaust, but it's so loud and I can't stand it. So, yep, I'll clean the exhaust up, and when the car's ready, I will put it back on. So, yeah, thanks for watching.